Welcome to Lens's Snapshot SQL, an easy way to explore your streaming data. Use it to find those needles in the data haystack. Alright, let's have a look. In this scenario, let's pretend that I'm working for a shiny new online taxi company, Lensycab. What a name. So, it turns out that a customer has just complained. They've been actually charged over $2,000 for the ride. It should have just been $20. I hate when that happens. Right, I am with the Lensycab customer success team, and it's my mission to find what has gone wrong. Lensycab is a real-time business. Here, everything is data events. To investigate this, I need to inspect the events coming from the taxi meters. Great, but where do I start? Let's fire up Lenses. Okay, first step. I want to look at the company's datasets. Head to the Explore tab. Here, I can see the company's real-time data catalog. I have data from Kafka and Elasticsearch. At Lensycab, we call taxi charges fares. Let me try and search for fare and see what I get. Aha! I found one Kafka dataset. It has a field named fare amount. And I can see from its schema documentation that it's the taximeter fare. Looks like we're in the right place. But wait, how come I can see all these datasets? Flashback time. It turns out that the platform guys had already set up a user group for my team, customer service. The group allows me to safely read only certain datasets in Kafka and Elasticsearch. It's good to feel that I can't do the wrong thing here. Okay, back to now. I have my dataset. It has more than 1.5 million messages. Let's take a look. I can see the data as a table, much easier this way. Still, I don't want to manually go through millions of events just to find that $2,000 charge. And where do I even begin? By Kafka offset or timestamp? It feels like looking for a needle in the haystack. Instead, I'm going to fire up a query. I know some SQL basics. Maybe it will help. Let's head to the SQL studio. I'm going to do a simple select, pick the location and the ID of the taxi, where the fare amount is above $2,000. And because it happened only a moment ago, I can turbo boost my query. I'll search only for events in the last 3 hours. Bingo, one transaction. I have found the taximeter charge event with the exact amount and the taxi ID. Now, to refund our customer, I need to find their credit card payment. Let's go back to the data catalog and see what we have. I'll put credit and yes, we have a credit card payments dataset. This Kafka topic holds all the payments for the taxi rides. And good thing is that the credit card numbers are all well masked. How come? Flashback time. It turns out that the good people of security at Lensycab had already created a data policy to mask any fields with credit card numbers. This policy will only show the last 4 characters, but it does more. It also detects which applications are processing credit card information. Okay, back to now. I have the exact amount and the taxi ID. Let's find that payment in the credit card's dataset. Another simple select with a couple of where parts. Voila! There's a credit card transaction for the same taxi ID, that infamous 413. And I also have the payment ID. I can use that to refund the customer. Mission accomplished. All with the help of Lens's Snapshot SQL. Time to explore DataOps with Lenses yourself. Sign up and let us know how you find it.